Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how much money does Kirsten Dirksen make on YouTube and views. Now let's talk about her YouTube journey. Kirsten Dirksen started her YouTube channel back on April 19th, 2009. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 751,000. Total amount of views are 328 million. Average daily subs are currently 441, while monthly subs are at 13,252. Now let's talk about how much money she makes in a single day. And this is going to be an estimate. Daily views are 143,680. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. So her daily income is $431. Monthly income is at $12,931. Her annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate, income is currently $155,174. YouTube cut takes 45%. So income after the YouTube cut is $85,345. Thank you guys. Free audiobook, link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.